Welcome back to the channel, where today we have something truly extraordinary to share with you. A full, detailed look at the 2025 Rolls-Royce, a vehicle that doesn't just redefine luxury, it reimagines the very experience of driving. From its commanding presence on the road to the near-silent comfort of its meticulously crafted cabin, this is not just a car, it's a statement, a sanctuary, and a symbol of legacy all in one. As the camera glides to a dramatic halt in front of the vehicle, the first thing you notice is the unmistakable front grille. Massive, upright, and finished in polished stainless steel. Flanked by ultra-slim LED headlamps, the Spirit of Ecstasy stands poised, slightly illuminated from beneath, offering a futuristic touch to an otherwise classic design. The front fascia is more sculpted than in previous models, with integrated air intakes that subtly hint at performance without disturbing the Rolls-Royce serenity. The long bonnet, meticulously shaped, gives the car a regal look, while the flush bodywork and reduced panel gaps showcase just how far Rolls-Royce has gone with engineering precision. Moving around to the side, the proportions remain unmistakably Rolls. The suicide doors, now equipped with gesture control, open to reveal the expansive interior with ease. The silhouette glides from the high nose to a gracefully sloping rear, carried by 22-inch wheels designed with new turbine-inspired detailing that catch the light as the car rolls past. Chrome accents along the window line, gently curved shoulders, and that immense wheelbase all contribute to a presence that is both graceful and powerful. A moving piece of art that demands attention without shouting for it. As we reach the back, the minimalist philosophy continues. The rear features subtle creases and a refined taillight design that harks back to classic models, yet fully embraces modern lighting technology. The bumper design integrates hidden exhausts, because in the world of Rolls-Royce, aggression is never flaunted. Instead, the rear end delivers a sense of closure, like the final page in a beautifully bound book. Opening the door and stepping inside is like entering a private jet. The scent of bespoke leather fills the air, and the cabin is cloaked in silence thanks to an advanced acoustic damping system and double laminated glass. The dashboard is a blend of tradition and innovation. Hand-finished wood veneers run across its width, but seamlessly embedded within is a wide OLED display that gently curves toward the driver. Voice-activated controls, haptic feedback switches, and even a starlight headliner with customizable shooting star animations are all part of the experience. The seats, they don't just support you, they cocoon you. With massaging, ventilation, heating, and even biometric posture adjustment, Rolls-Royce continues to redefine what automotive comfort means. In the rear, it's nothing short of opulence. With electronically reclining seats, powered ottomans, personal entertainment screens, fold-out wooden trays, and even a chilled champagne compartment between the seats, passengers might forget they're in a moving vehicle altogether. Everything inside is customizable, from embroidery patterns to unique paint and trim finishes. The materials? Only the best. Sustainably sourced woods, polished metal, lamb's wool carpets, and leathers so soft they feel like silk. Now, onto the performance, and yes, even here, Rolls-Royce refuses to compromise. The 2025 model introduces an evolved V12 engine or, depending on the configuration, an all-electric drivetrain under the brand's Spectre-inspired architecture. The V12 offers seamless power delivery, 0 to 60 in just over 4.4 seconds, though speed is not the main objective. Here, it's about effortless thrust, like being pulled by an invisible force. The electric variant is whisper quiet, with over 300 miles of range, instant torque, and a custom-tuned sound profile that replicates the sensation of acceleration without a hint of mechanical harshness. The suspension. Magic Carpet Ride 2.0, now with predictive road scanning using satellite data to pre-adjust dampers for imperfections before the car even reaches them. And now, let's talk numbers. The starting price? around $425,000 for the base configuration. But let's be real. No Rolls-Royce leaves the factory as standard. With bespoke options, personalizations, and limited editions, most models on the road will easily approach or exceed $500,000. But for those in this market, the cost is not a deterrent. It's part of the story. You're not just buying a car, you're commissioning a masterpiece. For those considering the 2025 Rolls-Royce, here's our suggestion. If you want a vehicle that isolates you from the chaos of the outside world, while offering absolute control, elegance, and customization down to the stitching in your headrest, then this car is unrivaled. It's not meant for the racetrack. It's meant for someone who values grace, tradition, and exclusivity, all wrapped in a shell of modern innovation. This is a vehicle for those who have already arrived and now wish to arrive in absolute silence and dignity. As we wrap up, it's clear the 2025 Rolls-Royce is more than just a new model year. It's a declaration that craftsmanship still matters, that elegance can evolve, and that luxury at its peak remains timeless. Whether you're behind the wheel or lounging in the rear, it's a rare privilege to experience something built not for speed or spectacle, but for soulful perfection. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Would you take the classic V12 or go electric with the new generation? Until next time, keep it smooth, keep it refined, and as always, drive with purpose.